Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Please open your lesson number 10, Beauty and the Beast 2. As you know students that we have started this lesson yesterday, and we talked so far about that merchant and Merchant and George, they have came back from the castle of the beast, and there is a family reunion again, and the family is sharing their love and gestures with each other. And what more is that the beast had given father the treasure of a box of treasures, and on the condition that he will send one of his daughter to get married with beast. And this was a difficult thing, but this was the promise that he had made up with the beast. So merchant had to fulfill it, and he had to send Beauty with Joseph, who was the brother of Beauty, to the castle of beast. Now we will start reading from the next what happened there when they have gone towards a castle. This is scene 5, page number 104. Some months later in the merchant's house. What happened there? Merchant, I do hope Beauty and George are happy and safe. Jack, yes, they have been gone 2 months now. Joseph, I hope the beast has been treating Beauty well. Merchant, I hope so. I hope so. It was all my fault, and now I'm sick and dying. Jack, don't say that, father. Merchant, but it's true. My only wish is that the beast will allow Beauty to come home to visit me for a day or two before I die. So what we come to know here, that George and Beauty, they both had gone to the castle of beast, and now it's been 2 months, and the father is getting weak and ill in the absence of his loving daughter Beauty. And he wished that it could be possible that beast would allow Beauty to visit him just for a day before I die. And what happens? The door opens and George enters, followed by Beauty, and it means that his wish was granted and fulfilled. George, hello everyone, I'm back, and look who I have with me. Merchant, Beauty, at last my wish has come true. I'm overjoyed to see you. Underline the word overjoyed. Extremely happy. Beauty, oh father, what a delight to see you. Delight mean happy. Again, but you look ill. Father, oh dear father. You see that how sympathetic and how kind-hearted girl she was, that she has always felt the pain and the inner feelings of her father. Merchant, yes my dear, but seeing you again has brought new life into my old body. June, and is that a new dress you are wearing, Beauty? And April, I suppose the beast gave it to you, and did he give you the necklace too? You see, June and April, they are still talking about surface things, about material things. They are just concerned about dresses and jewelry. Merchant, does he treat you well, Beauty? Is he kind to you? As he was a father, so he was concerned more about Beauty instead of the material things. He was talking about her, that did he treat you well? Is he kind for you? And the Beauty answered, oh, yes, father, I stay in the locked room in the castle. He brings me food every day and leaves it outside my room. He sits outside my door and talks to me. And every day he asks me to be my wife. And I stay locked in my room till I agree. But he is kind, father. He gives me presents. He does not frighten me at all because I have never seen him. And George is telling or adding something here. Nor have I, father. I stay in an old barn near the castle. I get fed well, but the beast never talks to me or lets me see his face. So what the brothers and sister are telling about beast, that they didn't let himself shown by them. Why? He was hiding himself from them. But yes, on the other hand, he was very kind, and he was serving them very well. And they both were very happy about beast. Merchant. Well, I can tell you he's not a pleasant sight to behold. Underline to see. Behold, it means to see. Merchant said that even then, if he is kind, even then, if he is treating you very well, even then it is not a pleasant sight to behold. He said that it is very difficult for me to imagine that my beloved sister, daughter and son are no more with me. So it is not a pleasant sight. Beauty. But he has a heart of gold, father. I want for nothing. He is kind and generous, and he says he loves me deeply. And June said, and he gives you ever more beautiful things. Merchant, I am happy to see you. You are well, Beauty. But why have you returned? And Beauty answered, somehow the beast knew that you were ill, father. He gave me permission to come home, but I must return in 7 days before, because I promise. You see that the both are still, June is talking about the beautiful things or the jewels or the dresses. And Merchant said that how did you come home? And Beauty is informing father that beast could know somehow that you are ill. So that is why he permitted me to meet you, and I'll have to get back within 7 days. April, no, you must stay here longer with us. June, yes, it would not be right to leave dear father when he's so ill. You can look after him. And April said, and why should you be so happy? We are not, when we are not. Did you ever see such people in your life who are not happy in your happiness? Who are all the time jealous if you get something good? You know, April and June were the same sisters. They were not happy to see the Beauty happy. They were all the time jealous. They were just concerned about the jewelry and the material things. So do you think that such people around us are the positive people? Do you think, students? They are not. Do you think such feelings are positive? No. If somebody have had such feelings for someone, we should stop. We are not allowed to feel jealous from others. If we see something more good than us in others' presence, if we see something more valuable in others, we should respect it. We should not feel jealousy from it, okay?